So Google is gonna showcase awesome new products like Pixel 8 series, Pixel Fold and Pixel 7 at Google I/O happening next month. But you won't need to wait that long because we have some initial information on the Pixel 8, live video of Pixel Fold and Pixel tablet, and some official images of the budget Pixel 7a. So the Pixel 8 devices will be powered with Tensor G3 silicon based on Samsung's 3nm process. Yeah, I know it won't be as powerful or power efficient as TSMC process, but still 3nm is far more powerful and efficient than 5nm node used in the Pixel 7 Pro, which already is a decent device. The best part is Pixel 8 Pro may use Samsung GN2 sensor with staggered HDR support, so it is gonna shoot fantastic images in day and night lighting condition.
HDR technology, which captures 3 frames in different exposures and merges them to produce rich details and colors.
Some news coming in from Ross Young. Pixel 8 is coming with a small roundish 6.16-inch display. The Pixel 7 had a 6.32-inch panel, so that's smaller than last year. The 8 Pro, however, uses same size 6.7-inch Samsung's display, but sad part is rectangular finish is now gone. This is your first live look at the Pixel Fold, coming in with Tensor G2 Silicon, 12GB of RAM and a 7.6-inch inner large display with 5.8-inch squarish front panel. The leak side is gonna cost $1799 of base 256GB variant, which is very expensive in my opinion, but Pixel UI is gonna look great on a folding phone.
They take advantage of new flexible display technology, so the screen can literally bend and fold. And as you unfold, the app seamlessly transfers to the bigger screen.
Live footage of the Pixel tablet coming in from Milan Design Week, and can be seen the massive Pixel tablet in 3 exciting color finishes. Finally, this is the Pixel 7a in new light blue, chalk and charcoal finish, and it is coming with 90Hz high refresh rate, dual 12MP camera and Tensor G2 chip, which is a flagship silicon. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro is powered with Tensor G2 as well, can play high graphic games and of course can shoot fantastic daylight and night images. Here are some samples I shot using the Pixel 7 Pro and they all look fantastic. You guys can check this device from shopping cart below, and for those who doesn't want to spend that much can pick the Pixel 7a. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.